Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to add auto captions in CapCut. First, ensure your CapCut application is updated. You can do this by opening the App Store or Google Play Store, searching for CapCut and updating it if necessary. Open the CapCut application on your mobile device. Select a video from your existing projects or start a new project by tapping on New Project and selecting your video. Tap on the text option from the menu. Select Auto Captions from the options that appear. Tap on Generate to automatically generate captions for your video. Once the captions are generated, tap on Style to customize the appearance of your captions. You can choose different fonts, sizes, colors, and styles. Adjust the auto captions according to your preferences by tapping on them and editing them as needed. Once you are satisfied with the captions, you can proceed with further editing or exporting your video. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.